everybody, I'm back. Nah, not really. This is a special request from request a video from Juicy Fruit. Um, they sent me a comment a week ago saying, please give us an update. So here it is. My last video I had twisted and I was freeforming and combining the sound. Well, anyway, this is where I'm at. I am 100% freeform. I cut off all of my old locks early March of this year. I got tired of trying to balance between the two textures, and when I saw my freeforms coming out looking so luscious, I'm like, let me go ahead and cut that old stuff off. So my take on that is that I did interlocking for like 10 years, and the difference between the two, interlocking and freeforming, is like night and day for me. My hair is healthier that I'm freeforming, and it's a lot softer. You know, the thing that I was trying to accomplish with products when I was interlocking, I was able to accomplish freeforming. You don't get that, really. But my hair routine is that of a minimalist. Freeforming allows me to do very little with my hair, and this is what I do. I shampoo rarely, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 or 3 months. I still use the same shampoo, heart water remover. Let me see. I rinse my hair once a week, because your hair loves water. So I rinse once a week. Check that out. Look at that. My hair is just so beautiful. Ow, ow. But yeah, I rinse my hair once a week with filtered water. I use a vinegar rinse as well every now and then. What I love about using the vinegar rinse on my locks is that it helps to keep it clean, deodorize, it's healthy for my scalp, and actually the texture of my hair. My hair is really shiny. My sister, she asked me how to keep my hair from looking dull, and I'm like, go freeform, because she remembers my first set, but she was like, wow, your hair looks good. She didn't tell me that, but she was like, that was a compliment when she said how to keep my hair from looking dull. And then let me see, my other sister, she asked me how do I do my hair, and I'm like, girl, I'm freeform. She's like, really? I'm like, yeah. And I think it was because freeformers get a bad rap. People say, if you say you're freeforming, they expect you to have your hair unruly. My locks are pretty neat, freeforming, and what I do for my freeforms, I separate. Separate. Can't stress enough. And water. And, that's it. I brush my locks to keep them under control. And pretty much that's it. The only thing that I do put on my scalp, I don't put any product on my locks, none at all. The only thing I put on my scalp is coconut oil, 100% raw or refined, coconut oil. And I put it on my scalp, and that's it. I don't put any product on my locks, because with my first set of locks, when I cut them off, I saw all the debris in the center of my lock, and I thought my locks were clean. But, that just shows it doesn't matter. Your hair doesn't like all those products, because it will just go in the center of your lock, boom, and it's there. So I don't put any product, and you know what? My hair is soft with no products. So, no more products for me. But that's it, you guys. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with what I'm doing. It's Maddie's Bonnets on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook, Maddie's Bonnets, and that's my business. I've been in business for 2 years now. In the Dallas area, I make satin bonnets and other hair accessories, and yeah, I'm doing pretty good. And I want to thank everybody who has supported my business these past 2 years. And 2020, I'm going out and doing different things, and I will continue to do what I'm doing. And with that, I remain locked. I will never cut my locks off here unless I have to. But yeah. All right. Follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with what I'm doing.